are you? Today's lesson is going to be on the solo in You Do Something To Me by Paul Weller. Unbelievably, I think that record's about 25 years old now, which is making me feel pretty old. Here we have Gibson Hollow Body 336. I've got it on the front pickup and just a little bit of overdrive with the orange crush. What's it called? Orange Burst from Caline, which is about a $30 overdrive pedal. You should definitely check it out. So let's start the lesson now. So we are in E minor pentatonic or G major. If you start here on 12, we're going to play 12, 15. And then the second pattern of the same scale is, you start at 15, 15, 17. Okay, so all the notes of the solo fall within there. We're going to start at number 1. We're going to do a pre-bend. So your third finger is going to sit on 15, and we're going to bend it up as if it's a 17. So it's going to go, and you just slowly release it. A little trick here, which is good, if you use the back of your hands and sit them on the strings, that means when you let go, the G string won't ring. So, okay, and then we do it. So we're going to go 12, hammer on to 15, and then we're going to hit 14, which is an A. So that first phrase is pre-bend, and then you can slide out. Alright, phrase number 2 is we're going to start from an A, and we're going to play a double stop there. So we're going to play A and D. And we're going to just basically do a hammer on from A to B on the 5th string, so 12 to 14. So it'll sound like that. And then we play ba-da-da. And we finish there on the D. And then we play the same kind of rhythm from D, E to G. So, give it a bit of vibrato if you like. Okay, so phrase 1 was, we're going to slide out of that, and then we're going to run into, okay, then we're going to go, so we're going to bend up, we can do a pull off or a play, return to G. So we're going to go bend, that's A to B, pull off to G, E, okay? And the second phrase of this part is similar, but not quite the same. So we bend, come back down, pull off, E. Sorry for the interruption, aeroplanes. Now, so we were... Okay, so that's it for this section in this first pattern of E minor pentatonic. Then we're going to just move up. So, we use our second finger here to slide into 16, which is in the guts of the second pattern. So we're going to go into there, and then we're going to play the first finger on 15, 17, and then 2 15s. Okay, so we're going to hit 15. Alright, so. Okay. Next phrase is has got a long slow bend and then a quick bend. But first, before that, we're going to play 15 to 17, and then the other way, and then we're going to do a nice slow bend. Okay, and just let it kind of fade out, and then we're going to do. Okay, so long slow bend, and then 15, 17 hammer on, then play, really smash the 15. So okay, then we've got 17, 15, pull off, and then play 17 again on the B string. So that's E, D, E. Okay. And then the very last phrase is 12 on the B strings, a B, B, D, E, D, E, D, and then we're going to just hold that for a bit and then eventually bend it up to E. So okay, so that is the whole thing. Let's just run through each bit slowly. So, phrase 1. Phrase 2. Phrase 3. Phrase 4. Phrase 5. Phrase 6. Then bend. Phrase 7. Phrase 8. Whoops. Last one. Thanks very much for watching. I hope that was useful. I hope the tabs helped. If you have any questions, please just ask. If you would like to subscribe, please click the bell. And please don't forget to give me a like. That would be great. I'll see you next time. Please check out the rest of my videos, and all the best. Cheers. Bye.